everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing my Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus unboxing. I'm very fortunate to have been able to be a part of the Ipsy Open Studios program, so I am now going to be able to share with you guys unboxings, Ipsy's Glam Bag and also Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So if you're interested to see what products were in these bags for the month of October, definitely continue watching. Also, if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. I do upload 3 times a week, Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. So definitely subscribe so you don't miss out, and let's just go ahead and again, I now am part of the Ipsy Open Studios program, and they also did send a couple freebies for me. So they did send over a face mask, and I don't really wear face masks. My daughter actually has worn a face mask, and it's super cute. It's black and it says Ipsy on there, and it feels super silky and soft. Really, maybe I'll try using this. I don't know, I've never been one to wear sleeping masks, so we did get that. And then they also did send over this candle here, and it's just all black and it says Ipsy Your Magic. And this candle actually reminds me of a men's cologne, which actually smells really, really good. I wonder how much my house will smell like this. So I think this is just kind of like a welcome gift that we're accepted into the program. So again, let's just go ahead and get started. So Ipsy's Glam Bag costs $12, and you do get sample size products, and you also do get some full size items as well. So I am going to be unboxing the Glam Bag, which retails for $12 a month. So you do get this beautiful little bag here. This feels like really good quality as well. So in the back it does says Your Magic, and I'm loving like the detail on here, the little eye there, and then all this like makeup and beauty related like drawings on here. I think it's super, super cute. So the first thing I did see was actually a brush. It was in the box that everything came in. So you do get a brush, which is by the brand Firma, and it looks like it's a blush brush, and it feels like good quality. It feels pretty soft. It doesn't feel scratchy or anything, so that's awesome. I'm not sure how much products in these bags are retailing for, so I will put the amount on the screen so you guys know. But this is nice. We can always use a blush brush, maybe use it as well for contouring or bronzing up the skin. So now into the baggie here. The first product in here is this Briochio Farewell Frizz Rosarco Milk Leave-In Conditioning Spray. I don't think I've ever used this before, and I've heard really good things about Briochio. Doesn't really have a scent either. My hair does get a little frizzy when I wash it. It's either like I have to straighten it or curl it. I can't like get out of the shower and go, because I'm gonna be looking like a lion. So I think this will work super well if it's good for frizziness, because I do have that, so I will be using that. The next product in here I see is the Illuminati Quad Palette, and it came bubble wrapped, which is nice and well protected here. And this is in the shade Enlightened. So here are the shades in here. You get 2 matte-ish shades. Yep, 2 mattes, and it looks like 2 shimmers. So this looks really nice, perfect for the fall season that's here. So I am not going to swatch this just because I feel like I could probably pass this along to somebody else. So I think it's nice. Little quad. So this is a really good like on the go quad. Next up in here you get a little Smashbox Oil and Shine Control Primer. I don't think I've tried this primer, but it's a pretty good size, and you don't really need that much primer. The primers I have used from Smashbox I have enjoyed. Currently I'm trying to use up one in my project pan that's for pores, and I do enjoy it. I think it does a good job for pores. So this one for oil and shine control I think will be good for me. I do have normal combo skin, so I think I will like that. And then the last product in this bag is a mascara by Bobbi Brown. This is the Smoky Eye Mascara, and it's just great packaging. Let's go ahead and open it up. Here's what the wand looks like. I actually like wands like this that aren't too big, that'll really grab my lashes and be able to separate and just apply the mascara onto the lashes. So looking forward to trying this Smoky Eye Mascara. The wand looks amazing, so hopefully it works out for me. So those are all the products that are in the Glam Bag for $12 here. Next up, we are going to be unboxing the Glam Bag Plus. This one retails for $25 and you do get 5 full-size products. So the first product in here is a brush, face brushes. I haven't opened it yet, but now I am. Ooh, these brushes look nice. Let's go ahead and open these up. This brush set is by the brand LaRousse. But here are what the brushes look like. The handles are actually pretty cool. This is really unique. I like that they're black. These feel really soft as well. So this will be perfect to like set the under eye as well as just using it to highlight the skin. This one, I don't have any brushes like this. If you have a brush like this, what do you use it for? Maybe to clean up your contour or something, maybe contour the nose. I have no idea what I would use this for. So we have that brush, and then this brush is kind of like a fluffy brush, maybe to dust off some powder on your skin and off of your skin, maybe some baking powder, you can take it off as well. And then this last one looks like maybe it's a kabuki brush. They do have names on here. So it just says tapered face brush, flat angle, and then contour blending. So you can use it to contour the skin as well. These feel really nice and soft. I'll have to use this for foundation, but this is the brush set and they seem super nice. And I've never tried the brand before either. Next product in here is an eye cream. I did kind of take a look at the box and see what the products were in there because of course I couldn't wait to share with you guys. But I think next month I will do an actual unboxing on camera. Hopefully, I don't know, because there was actually a product in the Plus that was in the regular bag that wasn't supposed to be in there for the $12 bag. So I don't know, I guess we'll see. So this is the Laboratories Filorga Paris Youth Performance Oxygen Glow. It seems like it's an eye cream. I just finished off an eye cream. I'm using one for like that's targeting dark circles. It's working out pretty well. But here is the eye cream here. Again, Oxygen Glow Eyes. It says, it's in Spanish and different languages. It says, Tratamiento para el contorno del ojo super alisador iluminador. So it's like a treatment for the contour of the eye. I don't know what alisador means. Iluminador. Iluminador means like glow. So maybe it's like a glowy eye product. I thought it was an eye cream. Oh, it's not an eye cream. This is like an illuminating product. It says, I'm back. So this says apply morning and evening in light tapping movements around the eye contour, smooth over to the tops of the cheekbones for a subtle illuminating effect. So it's an illuminating like under eye treatment or even like to highlight the cheekbones. So that's cool. I've never heard of this brand. Let me go ahead and open it up and kind of try it out and see. So here's a good size amount there. Let's see. I don't think I see a glow, to be honest. Maybe in my viewfinder a little bit. It does feel like smooth and hydrated as well. So, oh my gosh, if you guys can hear my dog, she's squeaking her toys, so I'm sorry. So on here, I kind of feel like it's an illuminator, like it would be like a highlighting product, but on the box here, it says it's a super smoothing radiance eye care product. So have you tried this out? What do you think of it? It didn't look very illuminating on my skin. It did feel a little hydrating, so I feel like it maybe is just an eye cream. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts if you've tried this product out. I would love to know what you think of this product. I've never heard of this brand either. And then this product was actually in this little bag, but this is supposed to be in the Glam Bag Plus bag. So this is a product by Sunday Riley. And this is the A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum. I have only tried the Good Genes serum from Sunday Riley, so I'm super excited to get to try this product out. I actually have only used a retinol toner. I've never actually used a serum, and I have heard that you shouldn't be using it like consistently, especially when you're first starting to use retinol, to just use it like either taste test, to either like test it on your skin or just do it like once a week just to kind of see what the reaction your skin has to the products. This thing alone I think is making the bag for me, so I'm very excited to try that out. If you've tried that product, let me know down below because I'd love to know what you think. Next up, you get a palette, or I got a palette. This is the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette. I actually already have this palette. I know this palette retails for $29 because I've actually purchased this palette in the past. I do have this, so I'll probably save this for a future giveaway, so stay tuned for that. And here is what the inside of the palette looks like. It's a beautiful mauve tone palette, very beautiful, very pigmented. I'm not gonna swatch this just again because I do have this in my collection and I don't need to in my collection. So I really like the formula on the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palettes, so I think this is a really good palette. And then the last product in the bag is actually by Ciate London. This is the Extraordinary Translucent Powder. It's a loose translucent setting powder. I haven't heard anything about this product, so let me know what you guys think. Again, it's just a setting powder. It's a loose powder, so I've only tried a few products by Ciate London, and I actually really like one of the glitters. It's actually really nice, so I'm excited to try more from the brand. Let me know if you've tried this product. What do you think of it? Is it good or not? Let me know. I'd love to know. So those are all the products that are in the Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. Overall, I think the bags are actually really nice. Again, this made it for me for the Glam Bag Plus. And then this, if I didn't have it, I would be very excited I have this. So these two products alone made the bag for me for the Plus. And then the little mini, I am excited to try the hair leave-in conditioning spray, also the Bobbi Brown mascara. I'm kind of on a kick on mascaras right now just because I've used up a lot of my mascaras, so I'm like wanting to try different brands, and I have my favorites that I reach for, but since I've used them up, I want to try new mascaras to kind of try out just other mascaras and not just use the same stuff all the time. So what do you think of these bags? Let me know down in the comment section below. Are you subscribed to any of these bags? I'd love to know. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please also subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!